There are several chapters. It starts with chapter 1. It's all about this. They don't think about the Quran or the locks in front of the hearts. This is a quote from Surah 47 verse 24. Perhaps the Quran sometimes seems to you like a locked gate. There may be many reasons for this. Maybe you don't know the language of the Quran. Maybe you don't know much about Islam. Maybe you're a new Muslim. Here you will receive a bunch of keys to unlock the locked gate. Keys to understanding the Quran. Here you will find a series of questions, each of them the same, which should be a key to help you better understand what you are reading in the Quran. These questions can help clarify 3 very important points for you. A. What does the Quran say? What do these statements of the Quran mean? What do these statements mean to me? These are suggestions that have proven helpful. Maybe it will also be useful for you to use them. Maybe not every key is right for you and your situation. There are many different approaches to the Quran, and we are all different people. Some keys that may be especially important for you right now may even be missing here. If you have it or find it, use it and don't keep it to yourself. Teach others about it too, just as you are being entrusted today with some keys to understanding the Quran. We all need to help each other unlock the doors. Above all, read the Quran a lot and often. And if you don't speak its language, then use a reliable translation. The following questions are meant to be the key to understanding the Quran, to help you with that. Some advice for studying the Quran. Use a reliable translation in your native language. Use other translations for comparison. Always keep your eyes on the original Arabic text. Study the Quran regularly. A little often is better than a lot seldom. Pick a time and place where you won't be distracted when studying the Quran. Let the Quran guide you and take Allah's word as binding. Ask Allah to help you understand the Quran correctly and live by it. Keep yourself physically pure as well. Start in the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, and with the intention of understanding the Quran better to live by it better. Read the chosen section multiple times slowly until you are able to visualize the content briefly in your mind. Then ask yourself these questions to help you understand the Quran. Take notes and write down the outcomes of your studies. What topic is covered here? So in chapter 8, it's about recognizing what the Quran is saying here. What topic is being covered here? Do I know this topic or something like it from personal experience? What are the main points? Which words or phrases are most important? Sentences? Pay attention to the most frequently used word, repetitions, contrasts, emphases, etc. What else is important or striking? Which short heading summarizes the content suitably? What's unclear? What's unclear to me? Contemplation, how does the Quran put it? What kind of text is it? Like for example, promise, threat, law, and so on. Consider each sentence with these questions. Not all are always suitable, but a good helper is who. Who is this about? Who is acting here? What? What is it about? What happens? Where? What place is it about? When? What time is it about? How? In what way does it happen? Why? Why does it happen? What are the action words in each sentence, and in what time does it go? Present, past, or future? Are there any special features of the style? Pay attention to comparisons, contrasts, repetitions, intensifications, cause and effect, figurative expression, question and answer, literal speech, generalization, and so on. How can we provisionally structure the section? What is the central message? What is still unclear to me? Compare how does the Quran treat it? What is the context of this section? What do I know about this revelation of this passage? When? Where? Why was something revealed here, or why was it revealed, and so on? What was the situation of the people when this section was first proclaimed? And what did that mean for them, the people at that time? Which historical period do the events reported in this section deal with? Which other passages in the Quran address the subject at hand? What did Allah's Messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say on this subject? What else do I know about this topic? Understand, what do these Quranic statements mean? What are the key words in this section called, and what do they mean? Also note the Arabic expressions. What is striking in this section, and what is its significance? In which places do the different translations differ particularly strongly from each other? And what is the most appropriate translation in each case? Is the preliminary structure correct? Is the central statement correct? What in this section isn't generally applicable but pertains to specific circumstances? And what is still unclear to me? Apply, what do these statements of the Quran mean to me? Do the statements derived so far align with the Quran? If not, where did I go wrong? Are there any corresponding or other statements in the scriptures of the Quranic interpretation tafsir? What new insights have I gained? Where does the Quran strike me in a very specific and direct way? What feelings, what reactions emerged in me? Where do my views and behavior conflict with the Quran? And what am I doing to change that? Thank you very much for your patience, and I